Now many people are raising questions that your party is now joining with minorities, minority religious sections in the fight against RSS fascism. So our explanation is this: communists are not actually anti-religious people. We are not against any particular religion. We are non-religious, but we are not anti-religious. Religion is a personal affair. That is our position. And secularism means it is not anti-religious, it is non-religion. That means a religion should not be part of the state or should not be part of the political sphere. That is what is meant by secularism. Therefore, we are not against any particular religion, and therefore that is not a question for us. That is the minorities, we are joining with minorities, especially the Muslims today and even the Christians. And so these two minority communities are targeted by RSS everywhere. And in this context, it is the task of the communists to join with the oppressed minorities. That is why we are joining with the minority sections. And again, according to Marxism, religion is the opium of the people. So it means that it depends on the consciousness. And another question also is there. Some people are saying that there is minority fundamentalism and majority fundamentalism. Whether it is why you are with these minorities and such fundamentalist thinking, that sections are there. On that question, our explanation is that today, majority fundamentalism, that majoritarian Hindutva, that is state power identified with the fascist state. But the other is not a state religion or it is not identified with the state power. That is why we have clear-cut difference, understanding that today minority fundamentalism and majority fundamentalism are not like two sides of the same coin. In the fascist context, we should target the enemy and we should unite with all the oppressed sections, irrespective of our religion. This is our position.
Okay.
Clear?